Want a bite of my bacon, egg, and cheese?
I'm okay, thank you.
You were talking to the cat?
Yeah.
Babe, oh no! Ah! Why don't you run back inside, girl? She's like, I've had enough of this.
How are you guys real? You guys are so cute. How are you guys real?
You're not helping. You're not being a very emotionally supportive cat. Oh my god.
Hey, buddy. Want some french fries? Sorry, goofball.
You psycho!
You can't see me. You can't see me.
Are you gonna go down to the road? You better not, honey. You promise? Okay. I love you more than anything, honey. Look who I just found down at the road.
You look like you're in one hell of a predicament. But don't worry. Bob the Builder's here to fix it.
Are you gonna jump? Don't jump! Oh, I'm sorry.
People be saying they don't like cats. He jumped in the tub with me. He making sure I'm cool. Kitty, like, what? What?
No one ever considers that when you're playing a game, you might be playing against a cat, and she might win. She's been playing for several minutes now. Oh my god!
Cupid, the economy's in shambles. We're gonna have to start monetizing you.
Shake your...
No!
Yeah, hi. I was wondering if I can place an order for some food. Maybe some... Yeah, no, I would love some food. Yeah, I would love some food. Maybe we could do,
You don't get any. You don't get any leftover Thanksgiving food.
Playing video games. I think that would be really cool.
Hi!
Let me at him. Let me at him.
Oh no. What are you... Bro. Please don't barf on my bed.
Got some right here. You got some right here. Whoa! Hey, you got some right here. You got some right here.
Don't want to eat candy. But the parasites in me want the candy. I don't want to drink liquor. I don't like liquor. But the parasite, the demon in me, it wants the liquor.
You're adopted. It's true. I adopted you. I'm sorry that the truth has to be revealed this way.
Did I scare you?
No! No!
I can't find Rumpus anywhere. Maybe I should take out this pile of trash and then keep looking for him.
Are you Italian or what color are you anyway? Are you some type of black or Spanish?
What color do you think I am?
Hey, what's happening here? What do you think you're doing? Come right here. What happened? Sit down. Hey, sit. You cannot be acting like this. That's your sister, and she's older than you.
Oh, is that so bright? Is it too bright for you?
Is that your baby? Do pet. Nice. Give hug.
Measure that for me, mate. Cheers, pal. Lovely stuff. That's about right, isn't it? Oh, we'll take it to there, yeah? Nice, mate. Sad.
What are you doing? What's the matter? Are you mad at me? No? Okay, good.
Say hi to everybody.